What is kennel cough in dogs? The condition commonly known as kennel cough is one of the most prevalent infectious diseases that dogs can contract. The disease is not serious in most cases, however, and often resolves itself after 1 to 2 weeks. The accepted medical term for kennel cough is tracheobronchitis, indicating a form of bronchitis that affects the dog's trachea. Kennel cough can be caused by several airborne bacteria and viruses. It is generally accepted that most cases of kennel cough are caused by the bacteria Bordetella bronchiceptica, but it has also been associated with the canine distemper virus, CDV, and canine parainfluenza. It is the general consensus of the veterinary medical community that in order to cause the illness, an animal must be virtually bombarded by multiple versions of these pathogens at one time. For this reason, it is dogs that spend a lot of time around other dogs that are most at risk for the disease. Dogs that participate in dog shows or spend a lot of time in kennels are the highest risks for kennel cough. The primary symptom of kennel cough is a dry, spasmodic cough, which is caused by the inflammation of the dog's trachea and bronchi. Coughing spells will often result in the dog coughing up a white and foamy discharge. Some dogs will also develop conjunctivitis, an inflammation of the membrane that lines the eyelids. Nasal discharge may also be present. In effect, the dog appears to have a very nasty cold or flu. As stated above, the disease is rarely serious and almost never life-threatening. Still, if you have seen any of these symptoms or have reason to believe that your dog has or has been exposed to kennel cough, you should consult your vet immediately. Thank you for watching. To read this full article, click the link in the description. Please don't forget to subscribe and have a wonderful day.